Hello YouTubers there. Today we're to the Mark VII Aquajet car wash at the Bobcat car wash in Krum, Texas.
And it's a very hot day in DFW.
Yep.
What's the temperature today?
95 degrees.
At the end of September.
Yep.
It's crazy hot.
Yeah.
This car definitely needs a car wash.
Yep.
So we'll see what this small town car wash does.
Yep.
Okay, I'm looking ahead for it.
I see it, blue building. Stop, slow down.
And we'll turn in here.
Yep.
Okay. Do we go around the back?
We go to the left side.
Okay, so we don't drive behind it.
Nope.
Got it. So here we go, correct?
Yep, Bobcat car wash.
The first or second?
Let's go to the left.
This one here?
Yep, and it's a Washworld Razor actually, so it's not an Aquajet. They replaced it with a Razor.
So it's a newer one now.
Yep, so we'll film the new one now.
Alright.
You have selected the Ultimate Car Wash. Please deposit $10.
Please drive forward.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Have we been in one of these newer ones?
Yes, we have been through systems like this, but not looking like this. And here's the pay station.
That's
On your left.
We did the Ultimate, right?
Yep, for $10.
Okay, good.
And here we go.
Alright, let's see what it does.
Yep.
Oh yeah, then we can see it from behind.
Yep, let's see how this new system does here. I think this is going to be a great wash because of the new system.
I think that you're correct.
Yep.
So when you Googled it, it showed a different system.
Yep.
So this updated Google review will be able to inform people of the new system, huh?
Yep.
And what is the new system called again?
It's a Washworld Razor. It used to be a Mark VII Aquajet, the older one, which we've been to one of those like in a different location.
Yep.
Looks like the high pressure rinse is about to come. Seems pretty strong.
What?
Seems pretty strong for a high pressure.
I agree with you. How old do you think the system is? How long do you think it's been here?
I think a couple months.
Oh, that's very new.
Yeah.
So they spent some money upgrading their car wash system.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is great. We know the car really needed it, huh?
Yeah.
How long has it been since we've reviewed a car wash?
We actually went through the one in Argyle.
On 377?
Yep.
With your big brother?
Yep. And with this wash, we're in Krum, Texas.
Yep. Oh. Oh. I shouldn't be yawning at 3 in the afternoon.
Yeah. What a nice coverage of trifoam.
Mm-hmm. Go.
Yeah. Wonder if this looks like a spot for rent because there's no sign that tells us about the wash cycle.
Yeah, I'm used to seeing the signs that show us this stuff, but at least they got a timer for the dryer.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I don't. It's hard for me to tell exactly what 1 minute is. Now, will the dryer move or do we drive through it?
It looks like we have to drive through it because that timer's over there.
Okay. I mean, just looking at the windshield, it looks like it's got a lot of dirt off of it.
Yeah.
Oh, they give you a minute and a half, 90 seconds.
Yep.
So we can go nice and slow.
Yep.
90-second car or dryer is good.
Yeah.
Plus, it's a hot, sunny day out. That's going to help as well.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going slow. Yeah, normally you only get 60 seconds.
Yeah,
I wonder if
normally.
because we paid more, if it gives us more time to drive too.
Maybe it's just the way on how the dryer timer is set up.
Yeah.
Like any options.
We're about halfway through the time and halfway through the car.
Yep.
It's a powerful dryer.
Yeah.
It's shaking the side mirrors.
Yeah.
It's strong.
Yep.
About 20 seconds left here.
Yep. I can already see it drawing the back windshield. Even though we're right here.
Pretty darn good.
Yep.
About 10 seconds now. Pull forward some more.
All right.
Not bad, YouTubers.
Not bad for a new wash.
If you're in the area, I do recommend this is it a Bobcat? Is that what it's called?
Yep, it's called Bobcat Car Wash, and there go the soft touch bay next door, which is a Washworld Profile, in which we'll eventually go back here with the Chevy for that one over there.
I give it a recommendation.
Yep,
I really do.
yep. And there go the vacuums and 3 manual bays. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and invite you to resist with a Washworld Razor Car Wash at Bobcat Car Wash in Krum, Texas. Bye.